English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1, Organise, Disease, Trainer. Organise. Organise is a verb. B1 learners usually know organise. At B1, to organise is to plan. Here are some examples. She is someone who likes to organise other people. He organised a meeting between the manager and the workers. They have organised many important events. Disease. Disease is a noun. B1 learners usually know disease. A disease is an illness. Here are some examples. She showed no signs of the disease. The disease spread fast throughout the country. They spent their time researching a number of diseases. Trainer. Trainer is a noun. B1 learners usually know trainer. At B1, a trainer is a person who teaches skills to a person or an animal. Here are some examples. My mother has a personal trainer. The trainer always starts the class on time. She is interested in becoming a fitness trainer. Now write some of your own sentences with organise, disease and trainer. Download the free B1 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.